Hello, Freedom Finders. Having the right price is only one piece of connecting with your ideal customers. In this video, I'm talking about strategies you can use to find those customers who understand the value you provide and are ready to invest. If you've been watching some of my other videos, you know that I've been helping BCBAs like you learn the steps they need to take to create their own business that doesn't rely on insurance-funded or school-based services. Starting a business is the most powerful way that BCBAs can take control of their career, but it's not an easy thing to do. If you missed my video on identifying your ideal customer, you should check that out. I show you how to get specific about your ideal customer. It's critical to know exactly who you want to work with. Once you know who your ideal customer is and what problem they have that your offer can solve for them, you need to start getting out into the world and finding them. You want customers who recognize the severity of their problem. Their problem is causing enough pain that they are actually seeking help. They must believe that their problem can change. They must be open to solutions, not just wallowing in the problem. If they have tried other solutions, they must be dissatisfied with what they have tried, or they won't have a reason to try your solution. They must also value working with a guide who can help them solve their problem. If they believe they can solve the problem on their own, they won't buy your offer. Go back to your ideal customer profile. Think about where these people hang out online. Where are they looking for information? Are they part of specific social media groups? Are they visiting specific niche blogs or websites? Are they joining local professional organizations? In today's fast-paced online world, video marketing has emerged as a critical tool to engage your target audience and convey your brand message effectively. Video allows your customers to get to know you in a way that doesn't come across in text. With video, your customers begin to feel like they actually met you. Think about the videos you've seen, the ones whose viewpoints you agree with, probably make you feel like you have a connection with those speakers. It's not the same as actually seeing someone in person, but it moves the needle a lot more than text-based content. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube all pushing out video content, it's essential that BCBAs embrace this medium to connect with their ideal customers and stand out in the crowded marketplace. Short-form videos have become particularly popular with viewers, preferring concise and engaging content that can convey complex ideas in a visually compelling manner. As a BCBA, you can leverage videos to showcase your expertise, share your insights, and connect with your audience in a more personal and interactive way. One effective way to use short-form videos is to provide actionable tips or solutions to specific challenges BCBAs face. You could create short how-to videos that walk viewers through evidence-based techniques or strategies, or offer tips for navigating specific problems your ideal customer faces. For example, you could create a series of quick tips on teaching social skills, getting started with data collection, or providing feedback to staff and caregivers. Another effective approach is to use videos for storytelling, providing real-life examples and case studies that illustrate the value of the framework you developed. You could create videos that feature interviews with customers, showcasing the progress made through implementing your framework. This approach can not only provide valuable insights, but also humanize your brand and make it more relatable to potential customers. One more way to use videos in your marketing strategy is to develop educational video series or webinar content. You can focus on topics that are relevant and timely to your ideal customer, such as the latest research on your niche topic, best practices in assessment and intervention, or trends in the field. Creating engaging video content will allow your audience to learn from you in a more interactive and visual manner, building your credibility as a thought leader in the industry. Overall, videos can be used effectively to connect with your ideal customers, foster engagement and trust, and ultimately drive business growth for your emerging business. Embracing video marketing as a key part of your strategy can help you stand out in the crowded marketplace and position yourself as the go-to resource in your niche. When it comes to expanding your reach and connecting with your ideal customers, collaborating with influencers in your niche or in niches adjacent to yours can be a game changer. Influencers have established credibility, a dedicated following, and can serve as valuable ambassadors for your brand. Begin by researching influencers within your niche community who align with your brand values and target audience. Look for those who have a substantial following, active engagement, and a track record for delivering quality content. Craft thoughtful and personalized outreach messages when reaching out to influencers. Start by expressing your admiration for their work and how it has influenced your own journey in behavior analysis. Be specific here so they know you're not just blowing smoke. Clearly communicate the value and alignment you can offer to the influencer and their audience. Highlight how partnering with you can benefit them and bring value to their followers. Propose specific collaborative content ideas that leverage each other's strengths and expertise. This could include co-hosting a webinar, participating in a joint podcast interview, or co-creating an educational video series. Influencers are busy and may not want to brainstorm ways to collaborate with you. And by restating the value you can bring to them and the greater niche community as a whole. Remember, approaching influencers requires a genuine and strategic approach. When you offer value, align with their goals, and propose mutually beneficial collaborations, you increase the likelihood of building strong partnerships that can amplify your message and connect you with your ideal customers. Keep in mind that influencers are busy professionals, so it's important to be respectful and patient in your outreach. While not all influencers may be available or interested in collaborating, those who see the value in your proposition can become powerful advocates for your brand. By harnessing the influence and reach of these experts, you can effectively expand your visibility within your niche and foster connections that can positively impact your business. Take time to engage with potential customers. Allow your free content to draw in those who align with your values. Your content should also make it clear who might be a bad fit for your offer and encourage them to select out on their own. This weeds out customers who will not be best served by your offer. This is just as important as finding the customers who are a good fit for your offer. When you know who you're truly serving and how to speak their language, the customers prepared to invest will find you. Share where you're planning to focus customer-seeking efforts initially in the comments. Let's brainstorm ways to stand out in those spaces. If you're ready to take this next step, check out this video where I talk about important time management tips. That's all for now. I'll see you in the comments.